Hello everybody, this is Amber from Living Coast to Coast, and today we are going to add our 4G booster to the top of our roof. Now as you can see, I am already on top of the roof, so let's go ahead and get ahoy down there. What's up?
What's up, bro?
Hey Elizabeth. What are you running for? Oh, funny. Yep.
So just trying to figure out where we're going to run the cabling. So I'm taking this off of the refrigerator. Yep. We can drill a hole. I hate to drill a hole through the cabinet over there and run right into those wires. So it'd be better to do it from up here. There's no access from the outside, just to the bottom of the fridge. So probably not a good idea. I gotta think for a minute.
Hey Dad, you're the only one left on top. Why don't you just jump down?
It's a pool.
It's a pool, come on, it'll be fun. No? You sure?
Not even if there was water down there.
You sure?
I'm too old and decrepit.
If everyone else was jumping off of it, would you?
No.
No?
He probably
Okay.
jumped.
Bye.
Goodbye. What do you want to say to your viewers before you jump?
Bye.
Do the next slide.
Concoction I come up with for putting it on the roof. So it's adjustable because we're not going to glue this piece, but I glued a connector, an end piece together. So this will go like that. This will go into this piece, or the longer one if you're adjusted. This will be on here, which will mount to the top of the roof. And it can be adjusted for travel manually. Okay.
Ahoy down there.
Gee, we ain't been here very long, and look how dirty it got.
I know, it's filthy. That's why we should clean it while we're up here.
I'm going to start out by starting two of the holes into the main, I think what is the main support beam. Okay, now that we know where the holes are going to be, I'm going to put a bunch of this sealant.
Cake frosting!
And I'll apply this over the top.
What is it this time?
Squeeze some more sticky stuff down in here. And yes, guys, we're going to put Dicor over the top.
I can just feel it. I can just feel it vibrating. Should we like dust like this stuff over the top of them? Yeah, I was correct. You're gonna squeeze the cord. You see? Okay, never mind. Someone's a genius. Now it's tight and like won't push through like if you need it to be longer.
We can lay it down when we're actually traveling.
Lift it up.
Probably need to put something under it though.
Yeah, keep it from bouncing and
then when we
breaking.
get stopped,
Lift it up.
lock it in place.
My goodness, this thing is tall. Technically, that thing's even taller than me. Just about.
Now we are going to put some Turner bond across that to hold it once we have the final place.
Turner bond? I thought it was Dicor.
Dicor on the screws. Turner bond to hold the cord down so it doesn't flop around in the wind.
Okay.
We'll try this out, make sure it works before we finish the inside. Okay, so now we're going to put a hole inside of this vent for the cable to go through. That should be perfect size for this little guy to go in and then screw it in. So my next step is I got to go inside, pull the microwave out, put a hole through the wall behind the microwave, have her see if she can see it, and if so, I'll drill it out a little bit bigger, make sure it ain't getting these wires in here. If you can see those yellow wires through there. We obviously don't want to hit one of those. And then we're going to have to try to feed it through from here to the other side. Got that? Okay, now we're back on the inside. We're going to pull the microwave out. I've done this once before. Okay, so now, I'm going to poke a hole through up here. And Amber's going to go outside and see if she can see where I'm poking it through.
Actually, down would make it easier.
We're going to close this up down here. What we're going to do is put this in here. Screw it in, slash, seal it. Good.
Found it. I saved the day.
Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Dun, dun,
Batman.
dun. Skibidi-bidi-bidi-doo-doo-doo.
I'm going to go downstairs and finish up. We just finished installing the bracket with the pop rivet gun. 4 rivets. Now we're going to drill up there in that cabinet over through to the outside of the other so we can put the outside antenna over that.
What was that? Was that a caliper? There it was again.
Coming down a little bit because of the trim pieces on the inside. Or out a little bit. Top shouldn't matter. Now we've got that cord. Pull through. We'll wrap it around to where it attaches to our booster. WeBoost Drive 4GX. Inside antenna. Make sure we're on the right one. Take the other one we fed through, hook it to the bottom. The microwave plugged in at the top, which feeds this outlet down here. And that's our WeBoost plug-in. That way we can unplug it when we don't need it and not use up juice. Okay, so the next step is just put the microwave back and hook up the antenna. So run this cable where we want it and put the antenna on it, and we'll be set.
Yay.
Which is just going to go up and over here somewhere. Get this about the right length. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, start the wheels. Whoa.
No, this ain't a banana.
If you didn't just see a minute ago, open it again. It opens. Feed the cord through it. Yay.
So then we can do this.
Whoa. Awesome sauce.
Snap it shut.
Not 100% of the cord is hidden, but hidden enough.
Well, but it makes it look better.
And it does. Definitely.
Now the antenna will go over here on the other side.
Awesome,
Use
awesome.
a couple of those zip tie things to keep it in place.
Yep. Zip ties. So what now?
And then we be cooking with grease.
The what?
Or fire.
The what?
Yeah, cooking with fire.
Oh. You're weird.
Or at least heat.
Well, I
Don't do
always...
any good cooking without heat.
Nope. I was to make a sandwich.
That's not cooking. That's just twisting my ankle. So, you can see we got the across the top of the ceiling there. And it's looped here on this side. Comes over here to the full length. Here's the antenna. So we just use some 3M sticky tape, double-sided Velcro. Hopefully that'll work. Yeah, we'll see, I guess. That includes the install of our WeBoost 4G booster. I think it'll work out good. We'll find out. Our testing, manually hooking it up like through the window and stuff, it worked pretty good. But anyway, that's how we got it into the house, into the RV. It's hopefully sealed up, other stuff won't get in. Animals, water, etc. So, pop us a like, subscribe, tell us what you think, good or bad. Tell us what you think. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that ding bell, notification bell. You know, the ding, 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 ding. Other than that, bye bye, y'all.